Welcome to Days Behind, where we unveil the trivia and stories behind holidays and national days. There are certain smells that transport you instantly. Imagine the scent of rich roasting meat, mingled with a hint of sweet fruitwood smoke. It's a fragrance that promises something truly special. Then, your eyes catch sight of it. A duck with skin so deeply amber and impossibly glossy. It looks like polished mahogany. This is the magic of Peking duck, or Beijing roasted duck. It is more than just a meal, an experience and a ritual perfected over centuries. This beautiful dish holds history and artistry within its lacquered skin and its tender meat. It deserves its own moment of recognition. We celebrate it on January 18th, a day to honor flavors and the entire story behind this iconic creation. The story of Peking duck begins not in a public restaurant, but within the protected walls of the Imperial courts. Hundreds of years ago, during the Yuan dynasty, palace cooks perfected a method to please the emperor. These early versions were a luxury reserved for the emperor and the noble class, a symbol of status. The dish remained a closely guarded secret, a delicacy common people could only dream of. Ducks were specially raised and fed to ensure tender meat and skin perfect for roasting. As dynasties changed, so did the fate of this regal dish. By the Ming dynasty, roasted duck was an imperial fixture, and its fame seeped beyond the palace. Former palace chefs opened eateries, bringing the dish to a wider, affluent audience. Peking duck was born. In the 19th century, dedicated duck restaurants appeared. Most legendary, Quanzhou Day, founded in 1864. Its open oven craft yielded exceptional crispness, cementing the dish as a cultural symbol of Beijing. The secret to what makes Peking duck so captivating lies in its skin. It begins with a well-fattened duck, a good layer of fat beneath the skin. Air is carefully forced between skin and meat to separate layers for ultimate crispness. A glaze of maltose and water, sometimes rice vinegar, lays the foundation for color and sheen. Then, hours of drying. Moisture wicks away. The skin grows taut and ready. In a special open oven, fruit woods like pear and jujube perfume the roast. Hanging ensures even heat. Fat renders to keep meat succulent while the skin crisps. The chef monitors temperature and hue. Vigilance prevents bitterness or burn. Finally, carving, often tableside. A master may plate over 100 delicate slices. First, crisp skin dipped in a little sugar, then pancakes with sweet bean sauce, scallion, and cucumber. Why January 18th? The choice is rooted in culinary wisdom. Winter's cold, dry air is ideal for air drying, the key to flawless crispness. Ducks develop a richer fat layer in winter, keeping meat tender during long roasting. Food lovers and restaurateurs chose a midwinter date to honor tradition and peak technique. January 18th became the annual occasion to enjoy Peking duck at its best. Restaurants around the world mark the day with specials and set menus. Some host live carving, a performance of knife skills and craft. Bloggers share, magazines feature, and chefs post memories and recipes. For many, it's a simple joy. Gather loved ones and share the first crispy bite. Others try it at home, keeping history alive with each new generation. Many prize the skin most, often served first, sometimes dipped in fine sugar. The sweet sauce isn't always hoisin. Many classics use qianmianjiang, sweet bean paste. Historic houses still fire fruitwood ovens and carve tableside. Culinary theater. Winter fat renders and fries the skin from within, creating legendary crispness. The legacy travels. London, New York, Sydney, each city embracing the ritual. Some keep tradition, others play with glazes, sauces, and serving styles. The core remains: perfectly roasted duck, delicate pancakes, sweet sauce, and fresh crunch. National Peking Duck Day is for connection, sharing stories, creating memories. When you celebrate, you're tasting living history, one slice at a time. If you haven't tried it, this is your invitation. May your first bite be as memorable as the story behind it.